A C# program is a set of statements the computer runs to complete specific tasks. Let us start with a simple C# app in VS Code using .NET New Console. If you want to explore other application types, use .NET New List. When you create the console app, you'll notice that we have just a single line of code. This is modern C# with top-level programs.
Oh my god! Wow!
The compiler now creates the main method automatically, making your code cleaner. Console.WriteLine prints text to the console, so try changing the message and run it with .NET Run or F5. Perfect! Your program ran and displayed the message.